Good morning, everyone. So, this is how it is Saturday morning before the storm. As you can see, the trees have started to waltz and sway. Nothing major as yet, no rain, just a little breeze. This is in Florida, north or northwest of Fort Lauderdale. Yep, those are some big trees. Let's see how they are after the storm.